of the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so you're in Manila right now.
Ah. Ano sa Resorts World?
Where?
Resorts World. Ano, Resort World. Maxim.
I'm sorry, I don't know where that is though.
Ang ganda-ganda mo talaga.
What?
Very, very cute.
Very cute. Okay,
Basta
so
bahay
cute.
niya. Yung may house. Warehouse. Where the house?
What? You asking me? What? What? What did you say?
Always, you're American. You're very, very beautiful.
Aw, that's so sweet of you to say. Thank you very much. You're handsome as well.
Yes?
Yes?
Magtagalog ka naman.
Huh?
Marunong ka ba magtagalog? You speak the Tagalog?
What?
Ay. Speak Tagalog. No.
What's that?
Don't say English. Don't say English.
One more time. Don't what? Don't?
You're say Tagalog. Don't say English.
You don't want me to speak in English.
No, you're Filipino.
What?
Filipino, no, speaking I not English, understand?
Oh. So, ibig mong sabihin, kuya, hindi ka marunong magtagalog.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ay, mag-English.
Magtagalog eh. Pinahirapan mo pa ako eh.
Nakuha pa ako?
I'm sorry. Pinahirapan mo pa ako. Pinahirapan pa ako.
Ano?
Marunong ka pala magtagalog.
Marunong nga.
Eh, bakit di mo sinabi kaagad?
Eh, bakit ka ba kasi nag-i-English?
Ikaw na